Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the block-in stage in painting. Is it necessary? No. But blocking in a painting will lay the entire foundations of the painting in front of your eyes and will throw any fears out of the window. It will help you gain confidence for later stages of the painting process. I'm going to give you 3 golden tips during the time-lapse video of the process, so keep watching. So let's get it done. I will be using ultramarine blue, cadmium red, cadmium yellow, cerulean blue, burnt umber, and titanium white. For medium, I have a 50-50 mix of linseed oil and Gamsol. Tip number 1. Do not use a lot of white. Keep it to a minimum. If you mix in too much white, the painting will become very chalky and it will be difficult to get a rich saturation later on during the painting process. Tip number 2. Do not paint highlights or dark shadows, because this will limit you. Concentrate only on midtones. This will give you a wider dynamic range of colors and possibilities for later stages of the painting. Leave the brightest highlights and the darkest shadows for later. Tip number 3. Keep the paint thin while blocking in, especially if you are using oil paint. We don't need texture at this stage of the painting. All we want is to cover the canvas as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.